All right, ni khonoyin regi ho chanko jara jagoisha rachwi shunu. I hope I said that right. When you were younger, what kind of traditional foods did you eat? Husak?
Ping orage. Economic regi waran hokiraj hard wishono. Hamte wangai da kirachchi waran reske hard wow nakshan. Hiniwa hara egi degwa hara goiship wajoni ne shono. Wajoni hara egi goiship waran anya kidere shono. Koreske cha, Zeke, Washing, Seacockstick, Wajan Reske, Hania Kiride, Shunre, Goiship, Ioni Wahara, Negeshke, Ichoke Hara, Wagana, we Kishadeda, Anaga, Dujwa Hide Shunon, Re Hanach, wife in Shunon, Seacockstick, Rashke, Ioni Wahara, Re Dujwa Hide, Re Azide Shunon. Egijige Ichoke hara Zikania Kiri de Gije Hadashara Wahanaga Egi Wamachichanaga Egi Herewa Hishunon. Si Je Herewa Hishunon, knowing a Okiship Gajan Re Azide Shun, Re Rasashke, wiping Shunon. Egijige ma hinch hoiship anag re rasashke wajan iske haj wishono.
Zikada Harachabra Jaske?
Hionki de apel azire shonon re keshke jagu hikiskaira nengi he hedu khudug negoniare noenge harachabra azire shonon. Chokaira re P Dujwa Hisho Yanagre Hisken Re Atashara Wahanagegi Wamachichianagegi Khrewa Hishono. The squirrel apparently must have been kind of a tough meat because it had to boil for a long time. But it was worth the wait.
What did they throw anything else in there, like corn or even like potatoes and carrots?
Yeah, you could put that in there if you want to, corn. Even I remember mostly kind of the little dumplings like.
When you were younger, what kind of traditional plants did you drink?
Wajan as Dutch Commission Ejakshi Washing Punjara Ashana Hedeguniare Egi Wajan Hija Dutch Commission Re Horohana Mankan Uinege Jeske Dutch Commission Mankan Dek Iran Gege Hojishana Wajana Riga Yagi Papa Re Manshun Rige Ire Shunon. Re Ijan Hoa Jagi Re Wajan Reski Here Hiranaga Rachkan Wagi Gire Shunon. Egon Kira Wajan Reski Ya Pedersen. Knowing he Hegaja Washing Punch Anade Re Dutch going Goske Sketchin and Re Dutch going Shunon. Re High Pensionon. Knowing Man Kanhi Hanagre Man Kante Man Shun Re Ke Azidani knowing or Jadige Reske Rachkan Wagi Gire Shono.
There was a word that you said mashunch or something like that.
Mashun.
Oh.
It's kind of a green plant and it resembles feathers.
Oh, okay.
I'm guessing that's why they called it that. And Monkundik is just kind of a root. Must have been kind of a bitter root of some sort because they used to like grate it and grated on like a cheese grate or whatever you call those metal things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they grate it up like that, and it didn't take much, and then they boil it in a little pot of water.
Oh, okay.
Drink that.
Okay, question 3. Out of the following foods, which is your favorite?
Yeah, Choni, he hanangra, zigra, wiping shono. Eske zigra regi, high chunction. Okay, he chane naka guangaira, re wahadrishono. Nonege zigra o pinchina ere gunyare.
Was there any other foods that you ate growing up that you were maybe like a part of everyday life?
Well, chara rohan hadrishono re goishipe skated. Egijige chara re duj wahida naga pech wo ruide shono. Egi chi kuhanja re wakere shono. Agoreja manigi kijan wajoni ranigi re kroke haraje warange ske waru arjnaga re duji shamba dash tutwa hyanaga re ske hadu shona re ida sashke aze de shona re gon hideki we chagrashke re ske wagi gide shona egi jige egi dogregi hasa gi hiwigi re hida sashke peho juidanaga jige chikuan jawa kerere shonon eske mani sedej has reske haj wishonon anaj re azi de shonon re wiping shonon. Yeah, they used to can venison, even muskrat, but the best stuff I used to like is when we used to pick berries in the summertime and they'd can all the berries, cherries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries. They would can all of that stuff, and that's what we would have in the wintertime for dessert, sweet stuff.
How about was there much farming as far as like livestock, small livestock, and maybe gardening going on? No.
Oh, we didn't do too much of that. Not where I lived, anyway.
Okay.
Maybe a small garden, rhubarb, stuff like that.
Do you want something to drink?
Yeah. Do you want something to drink? Would be wajan shadachkan rodagun.
Okay.
I would guess there are other ways to say it also if you ask somebody else, but that's the way I would say it. Can I have something to drink? Would be wajan dachkana. Do you want something to eat? Would be wajan raj rodagun. I suppose it could also be wajan ruj rodagun.
Is there a difference between just saying ruch and waruch?
I guess it depends on how you're structuring the sentence, I guess, and whatever you're trying to say. For instance, on that number 4 there, when it's time to eat, it says, the long way, I guess, is woruch orujra here. It's time to eat. But they wouldn't really say it like they would just say worujere is all they would say. Shorten it right up for that. If you were telling a person to eat, you would just say warujere.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Or if you were telling more than one person to eat, you would say warujuire.
All right, Jigu Kira wa inigi nampui. That's all we have for you today, Ahusak. Pinagigi.
Oh,